Or you gotta pull her around, just pull her around and kick her up there a little to catch it. And put your hand back down.
Now she knows what she's asked to do.
Well, I just wanted you to not worry. Good. Don't use your feet, just sit there. Back her up a little bit on the end. Put your hand down. Just wait. Just put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Don't steer her with your hands. Use your leg. Because you then steer her with your feet. So just come on back up.
She is walking off and has no clue what she's doing.
No, that's all right because it's fine. It's slow, and she's been somewhere else where things don't go slow. Okay, when you come out of the turn, catch her with the herd leg at 10 o'clock, and that'll keep her from going off. Just a little bit of herd leg. Now go straight. Now just sit there. Back her a step. Sit there. Catch her at 2 o'clock. Just a little bit. Just bump her. Back her a step. Back her. Good. Put your hand.
This bit isn't doing it either.
That's all right. Go ahead. Kick up there. Put your hand down. Back her a step. Put your hand down. Back her a step. Hand down. Back her a step. Oh, get her body straight. Okay, now just back her a step and put your hand down. Back her a step. Put your hand down. Back her a step. Keep her straight. Back her. Good. Now keep your hand down. Back her up a little. Kick her up there. And then sit. Just sit. Don't let her turn towards it. That's a Mike Crumpler thing.
It is, and he told me to do that.
No. She has to stay parallel. Now back her up. Back her up. Yeah. Just be gentle.
This bit isn't getting me anywhere.
That's all right. It's all right. Yeah, the bit's not important. She knows her job. The bit is going to help her know you're not going to hit her. I'm going to bump her with that leg so she doesn't move the shoulder. Back a step. There you go. Back her. Just a step. Put your hand down. Just leave her alone now. Just leave her alone, okay? Don't do anything. Just sit relaxed. Kick her up there. Just kick her up so she's even. Good. And then back her up a step. Okay, put your hand down. Go ahead. Catch it. Just kick. Good. Now just go relaxed. Sit relaxed and push on the horn. I meant to go the other way. But he's got that horse just running up. Okay. She's fine, but she's just got all these bad habits that she hadn't had.
I've had enough.
Okay. Can I work her on the flag?
Sure.